Let's begin the semi-deep clean of my kitchen and dining room area, starting with the mess of the dining room table. This is where we usually put our stuff when we are walking around. I did end up dusting everything one day when Zach was home and didn't film it, so you're gonna have to trust me when I say I dusted everything after majority of this video was filmed. I just had a day where I had a lot of energy and wanted to get it spent before I crashed, and I knew that setting up the camera would take some time out of that, which I had.
Surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii.
So the floor is a mess because I just went grocery shopping and I ended up throwing all the bags and boxes onto the floor after stocking up the fridge and freezer. But here I am placing some of the old pizza boxes into a bag and unfolding some other boxes and also putting them in a bag to throw in the trash. I still have 4 more pizza boxes I have to remember to trash, but I will probably do that for the next cleaning video in May if I don't get to it beforehand.
So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. Tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side, my tropical love. I wanted to be here by my side.
The coffee station gets dirty pretty quickly after being cleaned. That's where we place our dirty silverware, which I either wash downstairs or upstairs the following day. I dust all the remnants of sugar and coffee onto the floor since I will be vacuuming it later.
Pack your bags, I got a one-way ticket to explore the world tonight. I want you back, so come with me. Don't look back. Show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one.
I've been ignoring cleaning the microwave for some time now and honestly didn't realize how bad it had gotten until one day when I really looked at it. My mind has a habit of not concentrating on things and so not seeing things entirely, which can cause problems when it comes to trying to remember situations or even faces. Anyhow, I deep cleaned the microwave as best as I could.
I wanna leave it all behind. Sailor seas, just you and I. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night on the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza, anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila, anything you wanna see, be there in a heartbeat. Just say the words and we can go. We've got just
I had footage of me organizing my food containers and cleaning off the dog cage, but I have no idea where it's at, so I'm going straight to vacuuming. I moved all the dining room table chairs out of the way so I can get around the room easier. I really need to get rid of the boxes that are taking up the room, but I have to further break them down to make them fit into another big box and then walk up the hill to take it to the trash. We don't have recycling where I'm at, so unfortunately I have to throw away the boxes.
So come with me. Don't look back. I wanna show you the wonders of the universe, girl. Take my hand and you will see. We've got just one life, baby. So live it up, take it one day at a time. Keep it shining like the stars we see above. I want it to be here by my side. My tropical love. I wanna leave it all behind. Sailor seas, just you and I. Exploring hidden caves or surfing waves into the night. On the beaches of Hawaii. Drinks in Ibiza. Anywhere you wanna go, baby, you just let me know. Sunny Indonesia, don't say no. Sipping on tequila. Anything you wanna see, baby, in a heartbeat.
That's all for this video. I know it's short, my apologies. Like I said, I'm missing footage and don't know where it's at, so it would be longer if I had not lost the footage. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe.
One day at a